Hey Crafty Crew! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more crafty videos. So today we're going to be making an easy 3-ingredient chili dip. I figured with the Super Bowl coming up this week, that would be a good video to do. This is super simple. I've had it like 10 million times and I still love it. So the things you're going to need is an 8-ounce bag of shredded mild cheddar, a bag of chips. I prefer the scoops, so I get the Frito scoops or the Tostitos scoops to scoop it up. 8 ounces of cream cheese. I like the whipped cream cheese because it's easier to spread. And then you're going to need a 15-ounce can of chili, whatever brand you like, or if you have your own homemade chili, 15 ounces of that. And then you also need a pan to bake it in, a baking pan. This is an 8x8 pan, and then if you want to make more, obviously you can double it to a bigger pan and then double the recipe. I have my oven preheated to 350. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your cream cheese and you're going to spread it on the bottom of the pan. Like I said, this whipped cream cheese is much easier to spread, so if you have the regular kind, it may take a little bit longer to get out. Okay, so I'm just going to start spreading some of this around. I'm going to cover the whole bottom. Can probably hear my kids in the background. Usually they're asleep when I do videos, but they're both awake right now. Okay, so that's all covered. So you just want to make sure the whole bottom is covered. It doesn't need to be perfect because it's going to get covered with the other stuff. So there is that. And then I'm going to go ahead and open my can of chili and I'll be right back. Okay, so I opened my can of chili. This is a little bit runny, so I'm going to try and stir it up a little bit. Okay, and then I'm just going to take this can and pour it on for the next layer. I mean, if you don't feel like you need the whole can, then obviously don't use it. This might be a little bit more than I need. Yeah, so if you're doing this size and you have a 12-ounce can, that might be just enough. I think I'm going to just do most of the can. Alright, and then the next layer is cheese. Open my cheese. The mild cheddar shredded. Okay, so I'm just going to put cheese all over the top. Make sure it's covered. Okay. Like I said, if you don't feel like you need to use the whole bag, then don't. I mean, it will be good either way. So the next step is we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees until the cheese melts. So I just stuck it in the oven and I'm going to put it in there just for a couple minutes, enough for the cheese to melt. Okay, so I just took it out of the oven. As you can see, it looks pretty melted. And so there is that. All the goodness in its glory. Cheesy, chili, deliciousness. And you just serve it with some of your scoop chips. And it's as simple as that. It took me, I guess, about 10-15 minutes to make that dip, and it's really good. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.